Welcome to Appetite for Cooking.
Guys, it is hot outside. I mean, it is, wow, 100 degrees. The heat index is up to 115 and even got up to as high as 120 here the other day
Yes.
in the low country of South Carolina. So, what does that mean? You know, you work outside all day and you do what you got to do around your home all day, things of that nature. It is time to come back in, enjoy some AC, and to have a little bit of a tropical refreshment. Today, we are going to make a pina colada.
Ooh.
Yes. So you can see we already have some ice here in the blender. And we're going to be doing a frozen version of pina colada. Sometimes people will make them shaken, but this one's going to be frozen. So I say we got about 2 cups of ice in the blender. So B, let's go ahead and bring the blender over here.
Okay.
Now the other thing you're going to need is cream of coconut. And I already have it measured out. I'm going to be using 2 ounces of cream of coconut, commonly referred to as Coco Lopez. You can find it in the drink aisle right there, and there you go. And then the other thing you're going to be using is 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Fresh pressed is good. If you want to add some pineapple chunks in, that's great too. But we happen to have this around the house, and it's just good old steel can go by. And then to that, I am going to add 2 ounces of Bacardi silver rum. So pretty simple, 2, 2, and 2. And again, you can make this as stout as you like. So,
Okay.
my dear.
Okay.
Now, something I sometimes do, guys, to make sure that I get all that out of there is I'll take the rum and put it
Okay.
in my measuring cup that I was using because cream of coconut's pretty thick.
It is.
And you want to make sure you get all that goodness out of there.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, babe. Now the pineapple juice.
All right.
All right. So let's go ahead and button this up.
Okay.
Let's get some power going. All right, that looks like it's a nice chilled concoction there, gang. So we got a sentimental glass of mine. So old Desco glass here. So we are going to pour this. Oh yeah, look at that, babe. Looking nice. Frothy.
Okay.
Try that on. This is B's first pina colada, gang.
That's pretty good.
All right.
That tastes very good. That is
Very refreshing on a hot day, when you say, love.
it's blended so well. You could really drink this very fast and not realize there's alcohol in there.
That's right.
And it's not overly sweet,
Mm-hmm.
but it's everything's complementing each other. This is very good. This is
Well, guys, obviously it's a success.
that's good.
All right.
That's very good.
I think I'll have a little more myself.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's nice.
That's nice. Yeah.
That's nice. So recap, gang.
Yes.
2 ounces of Coco Lopez. 2 ounces of pineapple juice. And 2 ounces of rum. Now you go adjust it however you want. We got roughly 12 ounces of that mixture. So, from our house to yours, from our bar to yours, may you stay cool this summer and enjoy what you can.
Thank you for joining us on another episode of Appetite for Cooking, and we'll see you on the next one.
Take care, gang.